Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, this is a little intro clip just about some luxury fake donut toppers. I've made some more, guys, because loads of feedback you've been giving me and you said you really like them and could I do some more? So that's what I've done. I made another 6. So I just wanted to explain them now, what they are, and then you can follow each clip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you'll be able to make them yourself. And it'll be amazing, won't it? Yes, it will. It will. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the first one. And here it is here. Ready? Da-da! Now this is a fake cream fondant flour with strawberry sauce topper donut. Yes, that's right, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that better? If I'm at a shot? Yes, you can. Yes, so look at that. So you would make that. So that's one of them. The next one I'd like to show you is this one. Ta-da! Okay, little cute one for you there, guys. Now this is a fake donut, obviously, with fake cream and fake fondant leaves and flowers. Okay, so that's that one there. So follow my tutorial on that one. You'll see how that's made. And look at those flowers and leaves glistening in the light here, because I've glossed them up, and I'll show you in the tutorial how to do that. Very, very easy. The third one I'd like to show you is this one. Again, cream theme with fondant flowers and spun sugar. And I will explain to you exactly what that is in the tutorial. Okay, so you need to follow that one, and then I will explain exactly what that is. Okay, because obviously it isn't spun sugar, it's something else. But I'm not going to tell you on here. You might be able to guess, actually. Can you guess? Can you? You can. That's great. Okay, but check the tutorial out and I'll show you, or explain to you exactly what that one is. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is this one. Yes, isn't that a little cute one? Now, this is a heart theme, as you can see. Funny that. The hearts give it away, don't they? They do. Yes, they do. Okay, so we've got cream and fondant hearts. Okay, so that'd be very good on a Valentine's theme, or giving it to one of your loved ones. Okay, and don't forget these are fake, so not to be eaten. And don't try, because they hurt your gnashes. Okay, now on to the 5th one. Okay, now we've got a cream theme again, and we've got sprinkles. Okay, and these are homemade sprinkles. Okay, and if you follow the tutorial, it will explain exactly what they're made out of on there. Okay, so that's a lovely one, isn't it? Absolutely marvellous. Now the last one, now this is my favourite. I'm so excited to show you because I've never made one of these before, and it's just amazing. And I've also made some biscuits. So there's another tutorial that's separate to all these, just about the biscuits. Oh, and I nearly showed you that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, so follow that one as well. But I'm not going to say what that one is either. You'll just have to check them all out, okay? But here it is. Ready? Drum roll. It's a cream Oreo fake donut. Yes, that's right. Doesn't that look good? And if you follow the tutorial, which I'm sure you will see exactly how to make that. So I've made crumbs and I've made fake Oreo chunks. I think that's what you say they are. Okay, so can you see that? I think you can. Yeah, so there you go. So this is my favourite out of those 6. I like them all, but this is my favourite. I don't normally do favourites, but I am on this occasion. Because this one is just, I just want to eat it. You know what I mean, what I'm saying? I just want to eat it, but I won't because it's fake. Okay, so there you go, guys. Quick intro into these next 6 fake donut toppers. I nearly forgot them. And yes, so follow the tutorials. Let me know how you feel about them in the comments below. And any questions, queries or concerns, let me know because I'm here to please. And yes, I'm going to go from there. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.